What if you could generate more reviews for your products that are completely white hat and TOS friendly on Autopilot? Hey, this is Nick Hodge with Sellers Arena, and in this video, I'm going to show you a case study of a client that we've been working with the past 30 days, and that we've used ZonGuru to plug into their account and generate reviews completely TOS, again, white hat on Autopilot. Let's jump right into it. So really quickly, guys, I just wanted to show you a quick case study, some real results of ZonGuru and their review automator. And this is one of our clients' accounts that we've been working with over the past 30 days. So we've simply come in here and turned on the review automator for their products. And so what this is automatically using Amazon's internal review request system, hooking up to that and consistently and continually sending out completely white hat TOS review requests every time someone orders a product from this brand. And I just really want to emphasize that, when it comes down to getting white hat TOS reviews, you really can't go wrong with just doing this type of review request system versus trying to create some, custom clever review follow-up, that sequence or something like that. Because at the end of the day, Amazon's always changing with what they're doing, with what they like and what they don't like. And you don't want to have to send out and get a bunch of reviews and then one day Amazon decides, oh, we don't like those, and then they take away 30% of your reviews and you're like, well, where did all my reviews go? Well, this is never going to happen if you're just using their own internal review follow-up system. Okay, so that's why we highly recommend this. And as you can see, over the past 30 days using the system, we've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reviews so far. Okay, barely see this, the orange line, okay, at the bottom here. And we really like this because if you have a lot of products and you're selling through a lot of volume, it's going to be really difficult to making sure you're following up consistently manually, going into Amazon and sending out those review requests yourself. So this can really help you to automate that whole process and just be consistent and never skip a beat when it comes to getting those review requests out. And so, yeah, if you want to check out ZonGuru and try this review automator out, along with their other features in the dashboard, like, really tracking KPIs and business reporting and all the other keyword research tools they have, keyword tracking tools they have, really powerful stuff within ZonGuru. But I mean, this is probably one of my favorite things because if I can automate something and just take it completely off of my plate, I'm all for that. So I'll leave a link down in the description below where you can check that out, get a discount. Also, you can check out the previous video I did going over this in a little bit more depth, the review automation system. But yeah, in the meantime, make sure you like, subscribe. We'll be going into some of the other features of ZonGuru later on down the road in future videos. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.